Alright guys, welcome to the channel. It's another day with FelloF. On this video, I'm going to guide you on how to do a deposit into your market4you account. Okay, most of you have created your accounts and are finding it difficult to deposit because maybe you don't know. And if you have not created an account yet, just check in the description section. There are links there where you can create an account and contact me on WhatsApp if you want to join my VIP community where I share signals. Okay, and there is also a free signal community in the description, Telegram. But if you want to join the WhatsApp community, then send me a DM in my using the WhatsApp number in the description. That being said, let's go straight to the video. The first thing you need to do is click on deposit. Okay, once you click on deposit, you will see multiple options. Okay, so you come here, you have deposit, withdrawal, internal transfer, whatever. But what we are getting into right now is how to deposit. So what do? You click here, okay, on this little arrow. Once you click on it, you'll see the different methods. So you can either do bank transfer, you can do internet banking, that's mobile money, whatever. You have cryptocurrency and you have payment systems. So I'll start opening with the first one, which is internet banking. Sorry. So you click on internet banking. You come down, you'll see you have mobile money payments. Okay, here. So you see the your range. Sorry. You see a deposit range, which is somewhere between $10. Okay, between $10 to between $10 to 500,000 francs. Okay, now that you know that the fee is zero, it takes about 2 minutes or less for you to do a deposit. Okay, now we check another system. You can choose cryptocurrency. So with cryptocurrency, you have two types. You have crypto USDT TRC20 and ERC20. You have $10 to $50,000 for you to be able to that you can deposit. Then you have crypto provider. Here you choose the methods. Okay, you want to deposit, so you just click on it and whatever. So let's take, for example, you want to use the one down where you have crypto provider. You click on it. Okay, then here you choose, you fill in the amount. Okay, from $50 and above. Okay, let's say no, you don't want that one, you want the one above. You click on this one above. Okay, so here you have crypto provider, and here you have 50. But is it the same thing? It's like I've clicked on the same thing twice. Let me take it all over again. Take cryptocurrency. Okay, other crypto providers. So here you have the possibility to start with $10. Okay, so you click on continue. Once you click on continue, we take it to this point where you'll be able to do your deposit. So the first thing you do is fill the amount you want to deposit. Let's take, for example, $200. Okay, let's say you want to do a deposit of $200. Yeah, is that all I need to do? It's like there's something I have to do that I'm not doing. So you fill in the amount, $200. You scroll below where you have continue. You click on continue. Okay, and once that is done, okay, here you said you can reply and you can say I confirm. So you click on this little box, okay, where you say I confirm. Okay, then you click continue. So this is exactly where it takes you to. Okay, so this is where you put your crypto address. Okay, and here you choose the type of USDT you want to deposit with. Okay, so you choose if it is TRC20 or ERC20. This is for those who want to deposit through cryptocurrency. Now let's go back to those who want to deposit through mobile money. Okay, so if you want to deposit through mobile money, you still come back to this point. Okay, and you select internal or internet banking. Sorry, I keep saying internet banking. So you select internet banking, then yeah, you click on mobile money payment. You scroll down and click on continue. Okay, so this is for those in Cameroon. So let's say you want to deposit $200. Okay, or that $200 should be somewhere around, let's just say 120,000.
Power off.
Okay, let's say you want to deposit 120,000. This is approximately $205. Let's keep it going. All right, that once you click on that, you scroll down, you see continue. You click on continue. Then they'll give you the number you use to create the account. Okay, so you whatever number you use, so you click on it and the transaction will be deducted directly from your account. Okay, now let's take again the third possibility to deposit, where we have payment method. So you can choose Skrill, Net Teller. You can choose whatever. Yeah, we also have wallet. So these are the other methods you can deposit for those who are in Cameroon. Okay, I'll make the next video for those who are in Nigeria. So for Nigeria, it's simple. The first option here, where you have internet banking, you will be able to do your bank transfer. Okay, so that's it. You will be able to do your bank transfer from your local bank. If it's OPay, whatever, you can do your bank transfer straight into your account. So that's how it's done, guys. Love you so much. Thanks for watching my video, and do not forget to show some love by subscribing. Looking forward to see you on the next video. Ciao.